Hi guys, I'm back. It's been a few weeks since I had the time and opportunity to both make, edit, and post a video, but I'm here again. I was in a wedding. It was huge. It was not huge in scope, but just it took a lot out of me. But I'm back again, and I'm really excited to see you all. Two quick things I want to tell you about today. And the first one is a little bit of OMAD, which for those of you who don't know is like fasting lingo for when you eat one meal a day. Now, I just finished the sort of like expansive 3-month journey of doing a lot of long fasts as a way to both help myself through food addiction, like a jump start into getting over my food addiction, we'll say that, and also to just sort of help myself attenuate and let go of some of the physical and mental baggage from the extra weight that I had been carrying around, which was gained by some poor eating choices last summer. So I finished that at the end of last month, and then took sort of a 2-week hiatus and a break where I just sort of let myself relax. So now I'm back to it, and although this isn't particularly a fasting channel, fasting has become a huge part of my life spiritually and mentally and physically, and so it's something I enjoy talking about. So at the end of last week and then moving into this week, I have started doing just a very simple OMAD. Sometimes it's keto, sometimes it's non-keto, but just giving myself the freedom to do one meal a day. I'm not going to recommend a caloric range for you because I'm like pretty short and also still working on some like dwindling attenuation goals for myself. So my caloric goals would be way different than they would be for you, but pick a reasonable amount of food to have in your OMAD meal. Make it healthy, make it fresh. Not to say you can't treat yourself to something, a social event, or something that you maybe been thinking about eating and haven't in a few months, which is something I do occasionally, but enjoy that one meal and then jump right back on it. I've been doing, well, Wednesday will be a week of me doing that, and it's been working great so far. I feel great. When I eat more frequently than that, my body starts to protest. I start to feel bloated. I start to feel weird. I start to feel sluggish. And then because I was pushing myself so much on the fasting, I've been experiencing what I call fasting fatigue, which is just like, I don't really want to do any more long fasts right now. I did several 5, 6, 7, was there even an 8-day dry fast over the past few months. And I'm kind of tired. So this is me just taking a break from that, but not jumping off of the fasting lifestyle completely, because I love it and it works for me and I feel happy with it. So this is a way for me to stay on it without forcing my body into long fasting mode. And for those of you who are spring allergy sufferers, this is an addendum. I stopped taking over-the-counter allergy medicines or prescription allergy medicines years ago. I just didn't like the way they made me feel, like in my head, and I didn't like the extra chemicals in my body. So I started searching for natural allergy remedies a couple of years ago, and that's my recommendation. Nettle leaf pills. As you can see, I get mine at Whole Foods, but I'm sure you can get them other places. I just work a block from Whole Foods, so I duck in there and grab a bottle when I'm running low. They say take one, but my allergies get pretty bad sometimes. I'll occasionally take 2. Give it 30 to 60 minutes to work. And so every time anyone asks me about allergies or mentions allergies, I'm like, get the nettle. It works so well. And it may not work for you, but it's worth a try. It's not very expensive. It's like, that bottle is like $10. And if it doesn't work well, you can give it to me. Just kidding. But yeah, head over to your Whole Foods and get some nettle leaf pills, because they work. Also, feel free to click subscribe if you want to see what else I have coming up in the near future. It's going to be some health stuff, but then I have some surprises coming up too.